email list is very important for your business. The email list is the whatever the traffic coming from email list is the most controlled traffic, and also the water audience, we own audience is the email list. So that's why you have to build email list for your business growth. And whatever you are building YouTube channel, Facebook page, LinkedIn, these all are the platform dependent things, and also blog also. So when comes to blog, you have to get the traffic from the search engines. Here the thing is that it will depend on the SEO. So if your SEO is good, you will get traffic. If SEO are bad, you may not get the traffic. So but if you have the email list, so you will definitely get the traffic. You can send the emails to your email subscribers, and based on the open rate, you will get clicks and sales and your revenue. So okay, so for this you have to build the email list for your business. And in this video we will discuss about how to build the email list using the YouTube platform. So guys, you can build email list using the platform in two different ways. One method is the organic method, another method is the inorganic method, which is paid method. So in this video we will discuss those two things. Okay guys, so first of all, so whatever it may be free method or it may be paid method, first of all you have to create one free resource like ebook or mini video course. Okay, so in this you will offer your ebook or mini video course for the user to exchange the email ID with you. So for that, first of all you have to sign up to the MailChimp or ConvertKit, which are offering the free plans. And then you have to create one opt-in form in the email marketing tool, or you can create the landing page on your website also. And then you have to integrate this ebook download to the landing page. And then here the thing is so you have to promote this landing page via your YouTube videos or paid advertising. So to promote via YouTube videos, you have to make the relevant videos, which are relevant videos to the free ebook or free mini video course. And then at end of the videos you have to share to the users, I have a free resource. In this free resource you can learn more about this particular topic. So check out the link in the description and download the ebook at free of cost. If you say like this in your videos, and at end of the videos, so the users will continue to download that ebook and you will get the email IDs of the users. So once you got the email IDs, so then you can start the email marketing. Okay guys, so next, this is the organic method, and next method is the using the YouTube ads, especially skippable ads. So when you are watching YouTube videos, you can observe the pre-roll ads on your YouTube videos, and after some time you will find a button, skippable button. Okay, so when you click the skip button, so ad will be skip, and you will go to the YouTube content. Okay, here thing is that you have to observe at bottom of the video. When the ad is displaying at bottom of the video, you will observe the one link. So when user clicks that link, the particular user will redirected to the landing page. So in this way you have to integrate your landing page to the YouTube ads, especially the skippable video ads. You can create these type of videos from the Google Ads dashboard. Okay guys, in this way you can build email list for your online business growth using the YouTube platform. I hope this video will help you. If you love this video, like up and share it with your friends. Still not subscribed to the channel, consider to subscribe. I will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.